Next is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions, in these conjunctions, these join one clause with another on which it depends for its full meaning. तो subordinating conjunctions में क्या होता है, जो एक clause होता है वो दूसरे के ऊपर completely depend होता है for its full meaning, अपने complete meaning के लिए, means it doesn't have any meaning individually. Okay, subordinating conjunctions are classified based on the meaning they convey, such as, so they are classified means they are divided into some categories. Time, for time they are when, whenever, till, until, since, after, while, as, before, so long, as soon as. For reason, because, since, as. For purposes, we use the conjunctions lest, so that, in order that, result, that, so, condition, if, unless, whether, and concession, thou, although, comparison, as, then, like, manner, as. Means to say, in we use these all are the examples of subordinating conjunctions, but we, it depends on the sentence, what is being discussed in the sentence. We are discussing about the time, we are discussing about the reason, purpose, result, condition, so it depends, and then according to that we take the conjunction. Okay, see the example, Roma sang so beautifully that everybody liked her song. So here this sentence is showing us the result. Okay, and for result we had used the conjunction that. He cannot pass unless he works hard. वो पास नहीं हो सकता जब तक वो वर्कआउट नहीं करता है. So here it express the condition, means he cannot pass, वो पास नहीं हो सकता unless he works hard, जब तक वो हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता है. right? I am shorter than my brother. Here we are comparing. As you sow, so shall you reap. This is showing the manner. जैसा हम बोएंगे वैसा हम काटेंगे. This is the law of the nature, right? I am happy that you like my idea. We have given the reason. When he arrived at the station, जब वो स्टेशन पर पहुंचा, the train had left, तो वो ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. Time has been expressed here. You can sit wherever you like. Place. Here we have talked about the place. हमने यहाँ जगह की बात करी है. तुम बैठ सकते हो जहाँ तुम चाहते हो. Okay. इंपॉर्टेंट यूजेज ऑफ सबॉर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस. अब सबॉर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस कहाँ यूज होती हैं? दीज आर यूज टू जॉइन अ सबॉर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज टू द मेन क्लॉज. सबॉर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस का यूज़ हम सबॉर्डिनेटिंग क्लॉज को मेन क्लॉज के साथ जोड़ने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. ही इज़ वेरी वीक, ही कैन नॉट पास. सो दीज आर द टू सेपरेट clauses. He is so weak that he cannot pass. We have combined them and used the subordinating conjunction. He is too weak to pass. Combined again. Okay, and make it little smaller. She may live anywhere, she will remember me. Two separate sentences are there. Wherever she lives, she will remember me. वो जहाँ भी रहेगी मुझे याद रखेगी. The train was moving. He fell off the train. While the train was moving, she fell off the train. You may pass. I don't know. I don't know whether you may pass or not. So these were the examples of separate and combined sentences of subordinating conjunctions. Now the next is correlative conjunctions. सम कंजक्शंस आर ऑफन यूज इन पेयर्स. कुछ कंजक्शंस होती हैं जो पेयर में यूज़ होती हैं. दे आर नॉन एज कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस. तो उनको हम कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस कहते हैं. कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस आर ईदर और, नीदर नोर, वेदर और, एज सुन एज, नो सूनर देन, although, yet, both, and, such as, so as, so, sacrously, when, hardly, when, so that, not only, but also. So these are the conjunctions that used in the groups. इनको आप इकट्ठे यूज करते हैं. So these are called correlative conjunctions. Okay, so have a reading of all the examples of the correlative conjunctions, and I hope you have understood the conjunctions and its different parts and types as well. So now there is a very small exercise we have with total 9 sentences. So try to solve this. Okay, thank you.